and welcome to Pocketful of English with Miss Ina. How often do you exercise? Daily or weekly? How often do you play online games? Never or sometimes? How often do you go on holidays? Twice a year or annually? For today's lesson, we are going to talk about how often someone does something or how often something happens. It's all about adverbs of frequency. But before we start our lesson, let me remind you that we have a short quiz afterwards. So listen carefully. I know you can do it. So let's start the lesson.
Adverbs of frequency. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. What is an adverb of frequency? An adverb of frequency tells how often something happens or someone does something. It answers the question, how frequently or how often. What are the two groups of adverbs of frequency? These are adverbs of indefinite frequency and adverbs of definite frequency. What are adverbs of indefinite frequency? Adverbs that express how often something happens or someone does something from most often, always, to least often, never, but do not tell exactly how often, are called adverbs of indefinite frequency. Examples of adverbs of indefinite frequency. Always, often, frequently, usually, sometimes, seldom, rarely, never. The percentages show approximately how often something happens or someone does something. We can assign 100% to always, 50% to sometimes, 0% to never. Examples of adverbs of indefinite frequency in sentences. Our teacher, Mrs. Jones, is never late for lessons. The adverb of frequency in the sentence is never. How often is Mrs. Jones late for lessons? Mrs. Jones is never late for lessons. I usually clean my room at the weekend. The adverb of frequency in the sentence is usually. How often do I clean my room at the weekend? I usually clean my room at the weekend. She seldom eats fast food because it is unhealthy. The adverb of frequency in the sentence is seldom. How often does she eat fast food? She seldom eats fast food because it is unhealthy. What are adverbs of definite frequency? Adverbs that tell exactly how often something happens or someone does something are called adverbs of definite frequency. Examples of adverbs of definite frequency. Hourly, daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, twice a year, annually. Additional information. Every week means the same as weekly or once a week. Fortnightly means once in 2 weeks. Another word for annually is yearly. Twice a year means 2 times in a year. Examples of adverbs of definite frequency in sentences. The incubator turns each egg hourly. The adverb of frequency in the sentence is hourly. How often does the incubator turn each egg? The incubator turns each egg hourly. We have a meeting monthly. The adverb of frequency in the sentence is monthly. How often do we have a meeting? We have a meeting monthly. Quiz time! Part A. Identify the adverb of frequency in each sentence. Part B. Answer the following questions. Time to check your answers. Well done, everyone!
Thank you so much, everyone, for being with me in this lesson. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!